Engine smoke and thick mud cover the gigantic logging machine. The heavy hauler slowly drags massive logs across dangerous terrain. Let's fire up this massive steel chainsaw. The sound of the two-stroke engine echoes throughout the forest. The Husqvarna 3120 XP uses a 118.8 cc engine producing nearly 8.4 HP. Powerful enough to drive a guide bar over 40 inches long through gigantic tree trunks. Tree stumps are blasted apart in seconds. The 200-plus HP John Deere 7730 pulls the Rotor S system, designed to grind and rip through massive tree stumps buried deep in hardened soil for rapid land clearing. Its high-speed grinding drum spins continuously, crushing roots and huge chunks of wood into fine mulch. With the thick snow creating an extremely slippery surface, moving becomes nearly impossible. Unfortunately, the truck gets trapped in the deep snow and stalls instantly. In brutal conditions like these, rescue operations are incredibly difficult, forcing workers to rely on the strength of a few powerful horses. Show some support for these two horses by commenting 1. Massive walls of snow are continuously torn apart in the middle of the freezing white storm. The Caterpillar 24M uses a nearly 535 HP diesel engine and a blade over 24 feet long to push through thick snow covering dangerous mountain roads. It crushes hardened ice and clears a path through a landscape buried in endless snow. This is the Mobile Drum Wood Chipper. Weighing tens of thousands of elms, it uses a high-speed grinding drum and a 500-plus HP diesel engine to rapidly shred massive tree trunks into thousands of small wood chips. The hydraulic grapple continuously feeds long logs into the grinding chamber, while streams of wood chips are blasted through the discharge chute and directly into the truck parked beside it. For an even more advanced machine, let's take a look at the R-Top SC50 stump grinder. Its cutting disc, measuring around 45 inches in diameter, works with a 540 revolutions per minute PTO drive system to grind tough tree stumps nearly 12 inches deep beneath the soil. The high-speed carbide teeth continuously tear through rotten wood and massive roots with incredible force. This guy's collecting logs after the harvesting operation. Using a logging truck with loader crane, specially designed to gather and transport timber back to the collection yard. Don't forget to subscribe for more giant logging machines in action. The massive wood-grinding steel machine roars to life beside the roadside. The Morbark M20R, weighing tens of thousands of elves, uses a high-speed grinding drum and a powerful diesel engine to shred small trees and dense brush. Its conveyor system continuously feeds material into the grinding chamber before blasting streams of wood chips into the truck waiting behind it.
Chipper, my Morbark.
This machine may be old, but its power is still impossible to underestimate. The OSA 670, weighing over 30,000 pounds, uses a powerful hydraulic system to grip and drag massive tree trunks out of muddy logging zones filled with fallen stumps and debris. Meanwhile, the Helgam Logma continuously transports logs dozens of FT long using its heavy-duty, load-carrying frame. The sound of the engine grows louder and louder. The logging truck pushes forward, but the steep slope and dusty dirt road make every movement feel like torture. The Bandit 3590XL is powered by a massive diesel engine, producing nearly 1,200 HP, devouring logs, dozens of FT long, and crushing them into thick layers of wood chips covering the ground. Its hydraulic rollers continuously force the timber into the high-speed grinding drum. The tree cutter head is mounted on a massive excavator. Attached to a hydraulic excavator weighing over 70,000 pounds, the heavy steel cutting head grips and slices through massive tree trunks within seconds. Compact and convenient for small-scale logging work. The Kubota B 2261 4WD tractor is equipped with a stump removal attachment, making it easy to pull out stubborn tree stumps. Are you impressed by this machine? If yes, comment 1. Often described as a gigantic cutting board, the portable band sawmill uses a long, high-speed bandsaw blade to slice tree trunks over 5 feet in diameter into massive wooden slabs. It delivers stable cutting precision right in the middle of an outdoor logging yard. Its rail system and 25-plus HP engine continuously drive the blade through thick layers of wood, heading out to the mining site. The Komatsu excavator operates here, weighing over 90,000 pounds and powered by a nearly 400 HP diesel engine to dig and load tons of rock and earth. Its long hydraulic arm continuously lowers and pulls back massive buckets filled with crushed stone.